Good evening, everyone. I'd like to give you an overview of this new project launched globally 2 days ago. Being among the first to introduce it, we have the advantage of getting ahead of the crowd, the advantage of building a truly strong group, and eventually making excellent profits for all. This is not financial advice. I'll simply share my experience with AelfUnion and the reasons that led me to choose this company. AelfUnion is a company entrusted by Elf to build a community that utilizes all the services offered by the Elf ecosystem. Elf is a Layer 1 blockchain, and its token ELF is listed on all major exchanges, including Binance, KuCoin, Huobi, Crypto.com, and many others. The project has been in the market for over 5 years and is positioned as the 120th cryptocurrency by market capitalization. Elf has allocated $10 million in ELF tokens to develop the community using a network marketing system that offers very attractive returns to both investors and community builders. AelfUnion offers investors a protocol called Leverage, which allows you to stake USDT to receive 1% plus per day in ELF coins. I'll explain in detail in a subsequent message. Its scalable and high-performance technology allows developers to create various Web3 applications using C#. Elf's comprehensive infrastructure also enables quick integration of dApps, simplifying the deployment process. Elf is aiming to be the decentralized network of the future, addressing the intrinsic challenges of today's conventional networks. Networking with AelfUnion is truly beneficial, with 5 levels of depth and daily commission pre-filling. Take the first level, for example. Let's assume you've recruited someone with 10 or 10 recruits with 1 each. You have a total of 10 on your first line, which will generate 1% per day for them. That's $100. You get 12% each day. That's $12. Multiply it by hundreds or thousands of people. Share this incredible opportunity with others. Give them the link and your invitation code. Help them get started and create a passive income through the network. Watch some excerpts from the Grand AelfUnion event in Singapore with the most important companies in the blockchain world.
That's amazing. Sorry, do you think we can give people like a little bit more comments to,
all present and ready to contribute. There's incredible energy among all the Asian leaders who were present at the event, with the sole goal of introducing as many people as possible to this fantastic ecosystem. How to connect the wallet to AelfUnion. How to set a language and configure the transaction password. How to deposit funds into AelfUnion. How to invite new users to AelfUnion.